Yes, hello everyone. Welcome to today's video. This is Simon Snipes, and today I'm so glad to be here with you guys this morning. I hope you guys are doing well. And today is the 24th of April 2020. As you can see, it's a Friday, okay? And we're gonna be ushering in the weekend with a beautiful Roy Club video, okay? So guys, always those who have been following up on my videos are usually about Roy Club and how we are participating in Roy Club and how we are able to earn something from Roy Club. Okay, so Roy Club provides a passive income for you and for you family. Okay, so today I'm going to be showing guys just talking about how we can begin to participate in Roy Club, and we know we need PRIZM cryptocurrency. So I'm going to be showing. I'm just going to be giving some steps of how we can get for my friends in Uganda. We shall be going through for how we can get PRIZMs straight from cash. Okay, I'm just going to be showing guys the process. So I just want to point out that the process, if we're having cash, so let's assume we have our cash in our hands. Okay, how do I get my money up to the point where it becomes a PRIZM coin in a wallet somewhere? Okay, so first and foremost, we are going to exchange our Ugandan shillings to a cryptocurrency known as Bitcoin. Okay, and then when we have exchanged our Ugandan shillings to Bitcoin, then from Bitcoin we shall exchange our Bitcoin for now PRIZM cryptocurrency from one of the many exchange sites which are there. Okay, so first step, Ugandan shillings to Bitcoin. Okay, so what are we looking for? We're looking for Bitcoin traders. Okay, so I'm going to be showing you guys some sites that you can use to exchange your Ugandan shillings to Bitcoin. So we have local Bitcoin, okay, and I'm going to be showing you guys. So local Bitcoin is one of them uh, that is able to give you that option. So when you come here to buy Bitcoins, you will be able to see the different traders. Of course, we're in Uganda, this is the currency, and you can see all the offers from different traders here. So local Bitcoin is one of the sites you can use to buy Bitcoins. Then we have another site called Paxfire. Okay, so Paxfire is also another site that you can also register in and also be able to buy Bitcoin using cash. Okay, so usually what happens, you have money on your mobile money and you send to the trader, and then the trader sends you Bitcoins to your trading wallet, like here. Yeah, so then there is another one called Binance. Okay, Binance UG is also another platform that you can also use to buy and sell buy and sell Bitcoin. Okay, so those are the three sites that you can use for now getting Bitcoin. So once you have gotten your Bitcoin, okay, so what is the next step? So the next step is to move your Bitcoins to an exchange site that sells prisms. Okay, so we also have different exchange sites that sell prism. We have Singen, whereby you can purchase prisms using Bitcoin. Okay, then we also have what we call BTC Alpha, where you can also exchange Bitcoins for PRIZM currency. Okay. So like once again, when you go to first buy and sell, okay, you can say I have BTC and I want what? And I want PRIZM. Then you click continue. Okay. Then it shows you, you decide like how much PRIZM do you want. Okay. So if I say I want like 300 PRIZMs, okay, then it will give you the equivalent of the Bitcoin value that you are supposed to send in order to get that. Then you put your PRIZM wallet where you want to receive your Bitcoin. Okay, I mean sorry, your PRIZM coin from that. Okay, then we have also BTC Alpha, which is also another site that you can also use to exchange your uh, your Bitcoin to the PRIZM currency. Okay, so they are all those options. So by after reaching these exchange sites, then you exchange your Bitcoin to PRIZM, and then finally you have PRIZM in your PRIZM wallet. So yeah, that is just briefly it, guys. I do hope this has been a good tutorial that some guys can have some basic information on that. So otherwise, thank you guys, and be blessed.